Today we are diving into something ritual and exciting, your kidney health. Now we all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But did you know it can also be a game changer for your kidneys? That's right. What you eat first thing in the morning can significantly impact your kidney health. Kidneys are vital organs that play a crucial role in filtering waste and maintaining overall health. The right food can help them functioning optimally, reducing the risk of kidney disease and boosting your well-being. So what are the best breakfast food for your kidneys? In today's video, we are going to uncover the top kidney-friendly breakfast foods. These are not just delicious, they packed with nutrients that are specifically beneficial for your kidneys. Coffee. Coffee, a staple in many morning routines, is increasingly recognized for its potential kidney health benefits. Backed by scientific evidence, the key ingredient caffeine is well known for its mood lifting and cognitive enhancing effects. These properties are particularly beneficial for those compact kidney disease, where mental well-being is crucial. Importantly, caffeine's impact extends to physical health. Research indicates that caffeine can stimulate metabolism and fat burning, both of which are essential for overall health, especially for individuals with kidney issues. One of the most significant findings in recent studies is coffee's relationship with diabetes risk, a major factor affecting kidney health. Research also suggested that coffee does not increase the risk of heart disease, but moderate coffee consumption is key factor of health. Barley flakes. Barley flakes, much like their cousin rolled oats, are made by steaming, rolling and drying barley grains. This process returns most of the grain's natural nutrients, making them a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for kidney health. One of the key features of barley flakes is their low glycemic index. This means they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, which is beneficial for diabetes management. Consuming low glycemic food like barley can help in controlling blood sugar levels, a crucial factor for individuals with diabetes-related kidney issues. Barley is also rich in magnesium, a mineral known for its blood pressure lowering effects. The role of magnesium is managing hypertension, a common risk factor for kidney disease. By helping maintain healthy blood pressure levels, barley flakes indirectly support kidney health. Low potassium and phosphorus content makes barley flakes particularly suitable for those with kidney concern, as managing potassium and phosphorus intake is essential in such conditions. Additionally, the high fiber content in barley flakes offer multiple benefits. Almond milk, a delightful and nutritious dairy alternative, has been gaining popularity, especially among those seeking kidney-friendly diets option. Unlike cow's milk, almond milk is naturally low in phosphorus and potassium, two minerals that individuals with kidney disease often need to monitor closely. Limiting phosphorus intake is crucial for maintaining kidney health, as a high level can lead to bone and cardiovascular issues in those with compromised kidney function. A typical serving of almond milk contains only about 24 mg of phosphorus and 160 mg of potassium, significantly lower than cow's milk. What has about 233 mg of phosphorus and 366 mg of potassium per cup. Almond milk is usually enriched with calcium and vitamin D. These additions are particularly beneficial since individuals with kidney disease. Flax seed. Flax seeds are like tiny treasures in the world of superfoods. Known for their nutty flavor, they are not just a yummy topping for your morning porridge, they are also packed with nutrients that are great for your kidneys. That's why they have earned a special place in the list of top superfoods. These little seeds are a fiber powerhouse. Just a teaspoon of ground flaxseed, which is about 7 grams, packs in 2 grams of fiber. This is almost the same amount you did find in a whole carrot. And when it comes to scientific backing, flaxseed have been extensively studied. They are linked to reducing the risk of several major health issues like heart disease, cancer, stroke, and diabetes. Pineapple. Pineapple is not just a delicious fruit. It's a fantastic choice for those looking after their kidney health. What makes pineapple so special for kidney-friendly diet is its relatively low potassium content. Unlike other tropical fruits like bananas and avocados or cantaloupes that are high in potassium, pineapple is much more moderate. A single cup of potassium chunks contain only about 180 mg of potassium. This is great news for those who need to monitor their potassium intake closely due to kidney concern. But pineapple is not just about low potassium, it's also packed with fiber, magnesium and vitamin C, contributing to overall good health. Which is your favorite breakfast that we mentioned above? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.